You can create spreadsheets using Google Sheets for free. Log into your Gmail account and click the Google Apps button on the top right of the screen, and then scroll down and find Sheets. You can use a template from the template gallery or click blank to start a new spreadsheet. To add or remove a column, click the down arrow on the column to open the menu, or right-click the column. You can freeze the top row to help make your table easier to read. Click View, then hover over Freeze to see the menu options. Filters are also a great way to make your table easier to read. First, highlight the area you want to use the filter on. Then click the filter icon on the top right and create a filter. Then you can sort your columns however you like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.